Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about coordinate geometry. Here, first of all, we will know what is meant by coordinate geometry. Here, coordinate geometry or Cartesian geometry, both are same. Here, coordinate geometry is also known as Cartesian geometry. Here, the definition of the coordinate or Cartesian geometry is the study of geometry, using coordinates is called coordinate or Cartesian geometry. Here, the study of geometry using coordinates is called coordinate or Cartesian geometry. Here, a coordinate or Cartesian geometry will have two coordinates, and the two coordinates are x coordinate and y coordinates will have in the coordinate system. Here, the horizontal line in a coordinate plane is called as x-axis. The vertical line in the coordinate plane is called as y-axis. So, a coordinate geometry, a Cartesian geometry will have two axes, and the horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called as y-axis, where these both horizontal line and vertical line meet is called as origin, and origin is always represented with capital O. Where this x-axis and y-axis meet is called as origin, and this x-axis is called as horizontal line, vertical line is called as y-axis. Both the axes where it meet is called as origin, and origin is represented by the capital O, and the coordinates of the O origin is 0, 0. Always a Cartesian plane will have two axes, and the first axis is always x, second axis is always y. If you are having any Cartesian plane like this 2, 3, here this 2 is the x coordinate and this 3 is called as y coordinate, and x axis is also called as abscissa, and y axis is also called as ordinate. X axis another name is abscissa, y axis another name is ordinate. Ordinate or y axis both are same, abscissa, x axis both are same. Here every Cartesian plane will have two coordinates, and the first one is always x coordinate and the second one is always y coordinate, and a coordinate system will have two coordinates. It will have x coordinate and y coordinate. Where x and y coordinate meets is called as origin. The coordinates of origin is 0, 0. It is represented by capital O. Here, the plural form of abscissa is called as abscissae, and here plural form of ordinate is called as ordinates, and the plural form of axis is singular. The plural form of axis is axis. We can say individually x-axis, individually y-axis we can say. If we are saying x and y both, we should say axis. And here coordinate geometry is introduced by the French mathematician called René Descartes. Descartes, and this René Descartes is called as father of coordinate geometry. Now let us see what are the quadrants we will have in the coordinate system and what are the signs will be present in each and every coordinate. As we already discussed, a Cartesian plane will have horizontal line, and this horizontal line is called as x-axis, and here this vertical line is called as y-axis, and here this is x-axis, this is y-axis. A Cartesian plane, this is called as a Cartesian plane, or you can say it as coordinate plane also. Here a Cartesian plane is having 4 quadrants, we will say quadrant Q, U, A, D, R, A, N, T, S. 4 quadrants, and here this is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4. This horizontal line is called as x-axis, and this side is positive x-axis, and this is x dash. X dash indicates negative x-axis, and this is the positive y-axis, and here is y dash is negative x-axis. A coordinate system or a Cartesian plane will have 4 quadrants, and Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and it will have positive x-axis, negative x-axis, positive y-axis, negative y-axis. Here in the first quadrant we will have plus plus. Here x coordinate is plus and y coordinate is plus in the first quadrant. Here this is the coordinate we are having here, x-axis plus, x-axis is there, y-axis is also plus. Here first one is always x coordinate, second one is always y coordinate. Here x is positive, y is positive. So Q1 we will call it as plus comma plus. Come to second quadrant. Second quadrant will have x negative, y positive. Second quadrant will have minus comma plus. And here third quadrant. In each and every quadrant we will take x coordinate always first, y coordinate always second. Here in this third quadrant x coordinate is minus and y coordinate is also minus. Q3 is minus minus. And come to Q4. Q4 is having x coordinate plus, y coordinate minus. Here Q1 is plus plus, Q2 is minus plus, Q3 is minus minus, Q4 is plus minus we will have. And here this x-axis and y-axis where it is meeting is called as origin, and it is represented by capital O, and the coordinates are 0, 0. In this way we can represent the quadrants of the coordinate system. And here by the coordinate system we can locate the exact position of a place. Here our earth is having latitudes and longitudes, and that latitudes and longitudes are comes under coordinate system. If we are having coordinate system only, we can specify the exact position of the place. Here earth is having latitudes and longitudes, and latitudes is always from east to west, longitudes are always from north to south. The exact position of any place can be represented by the latitudes and longitudes only. Here latitudes and longitudes represent the particular position of the place on the earth. Here also we are having 4 quadrants in the coordinate system. Here this is positive x-axis. Here I will mention here coordinates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are positive coordinates of x-axis. These are also positive coordinates of y-axis. These are negative coordinates of x-axis. these are negative coordinates of y axis. Here, if you are having a point 2, 3, this 2, 3 is having in which quadrant? We should say first. Here 2 is nothing but plus 2, 3 is nothing but plus 3. Here 2, 3, leave about these numbers. Plus is having in which quadrant? Q1 is having x plus and y coordinate also plus. Here plus is there 2, 3. Here this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. Here x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 3. Here is 2. In x2, where we will get y? Here in x, where you will get y3, that point is called as 2, 3. Like this, we have to plot the point on the graph. Here if you are having minus 2, 3, here x is minus 2, y is 3. Here x is minus 2, y is 3. Where this minus 2 and 3 meet is called as minus 2, 3 is a Cartesian plane, lies on second quadrant. Here if you are having minus 4, minus 5, here this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Here x coordinate is minus 4, x coordinate is minus 4, y coordinate is minus 5, y coordinate is minus 5. Where this minus 4 and minus 5 both will meet at that particular point is called minus 4, 5. And this minus 4, 5 lies in Q3. Q is nothing but quadrant 3. Here if you are having 4, minus 3. Here plus 4, minus 3. Where is plus 4? Here is plus 4 and minus 3. Y is minus 3. Where plus 4 and minus 3 meets is called 4, minus 3 is a point which lies in Q4. In this way, we can plot the point on the particular graph by the positions of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and we can say plus will be present in Q1, minus in Q2, minus in Q3, plus minus in Q4. And here in the coordinate system, scale is very important, and in general we will say scale is heart of this coordinate geometry. As we know, human cannot live without heart. In the same way, coordinate geometry heart is also called as scale. Here on x-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to how much gap is there here? 1, 2 is 1 gap. 2, 3 is having 1 gap. So I will take it as 1 unit. Here on y-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to, this is a 1 centimeter gap. I considered here 1 centimeter is having here 1 centimeter gap only. Here 2, 1 is having difference 1. 3, 2 having difference 1. 4, 3 is having difference 1. If difference is 1, I can say it as 1 unit. You can take like this also in the coordinate system. X-axis, this is positive x-axis, this is negative x-axis, this is positive y-axis, this is negative y-axis. Here you can take 2, 4, 6, minus 2, minus 4 like that. Here if you are taking like this, here on x-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to how much gap is there? 2, 4 is having 2 gap. 4, 6 is having 2 gap. You should say here 2 units. Here you can take 5, 10, here minus 5, minus 10. Here y-axis is having 5 gap. Here what is the difference between 5 and 10? 5 and 10 difference is 5. So you can say on scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. We can say here if the point is in Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, we can represent here. If we are having a point like this 0, 2, where this point lies 0, 2. Here, if you are having x coordinate 0, the point will lies on y axis. If x coordinate is 0, point lies on y axis. If y coordinate is 0, point lies on x axis. Here 2, 0 is, here y coordinate is 0. If y coordinate is 0, the point lies on x axis. This is the x axis. Here this position is there 1. What this point we can call it here? 1, 0 we are saying here. Why 1, 0? The point is on x axis. At that time y coordinate should be 0. This point we can say it as 2, 0. This point is 3, 0. This point is 5, 0. This is 6, 0. This is 7, 0. Here this one is minus 1, 0. This one is minus 2, 0. And here is minus 4, 0. If y coordinate is 0, the point lies on x axis. If x coordinate is 0, the point lies on y axis here. If you are having this one, this point, how to represent? This one is on y axis. So x should be 0, 0, 6. Here is there. This is 3 point. This is on y axis. If it is there on y axis, what to do? X coordinate is 0, 0, 3. If it is on here, 0, 1. If it is here, 0, minus 4. If it is here, 0, minus 2. Like that, if the point is on x axis, we will have y coordinate 0. If the point on y axis, we will have x coordinate 0. And where this x axis and y axis will meet is called as origin, and it is represented by O. I already told the coordinates of O are 0, 0. And this origin itself, only one origin lies on both x and y axis. Here origin itself is having the coordinate 0, 0. Here we are having x0, y0. It is having both x and y0. So we can say origin lies on both x and y axis. Axis is a plural form here. If x coordinate is 0, point lies on y axis. If y coordinate is 0, point lies on x axis. And the equation of x axis, what is the equation of x axis in the coordinate geometry? Means the equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y axis is x is equal to 0. These are the two very important points. Here, what is the equation of x axis? Means the equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. If you want to know the equation of x axis, y should be 0. If you want to know equation of y axis, x should be 0. In this video, we discussed the synonym of x axis is abscissa. The synonym of y axis is called as ordinate. The plural form of abscissa is abscissae. The plural form of ordinate is ordinates. The singular form of horizontal line is called x axis and vertical line is called y axis. The plural form of axis is axis, and where this x axis and y axis met is called as origin. And coordinate system will have 4 quadrants: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Q1 is having plus plus, Q2 is having minus plus, Q3 is having minus minus, Q4 is having plus minus. And if the point is on x axis, the y coordinate should be 0. If the point is on y axis, x coordinate should be 0. And the equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. The equation of y axis is x is equal to 0.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.